on. Hey, here we go, fellas. Hey, take pride in what the you do. Hey, we don't give a who line up. Everybody getting their ass beat today. You hear me?
Yes, sir. They feel this now. Everybody got to feel this. Bring that tonight. Play for one another.
Silence mode engage.
Cowboys on three, make it loud. 1, 2, 3. Cowboys!
Third and 10, Hill back, throws to Montgomery in the flat, and they gang tackle him at the 35.
Here we go, oh! Hey, low. And welcome back, boy. Welcome back. I just got started.
Very loud in here. Back to throw, well protected. Deep middle, caught by Cooper. 45-50.
Throw that man in the game. Don't give the heel practice. Throw that man in the game and watch him go. Say.
Second down and 8. Prescott under center. Hook screen left to Lamb. Made a man miss. 30, 20, foot race. 10, 5. Pushing the defender near the goal line. Down at the 1. 33 to C.D. Lamb tried to run through Marcus Williams.
Look. Lamb talk. Woo. Lamb talk. Woo. Lamb talk. Touchdown.
Cooper and Elliott check in. First and goal from the 1. Prescott fade right. Gallup
Touchdown.
leaping. Caught it. Touchdown. Had to look for the official.
Oh, what a catch.
Watch your TikTok. Toe tap me.
That's a cold boy right now. That's a cold.
I like to show my talents too, so.
Please see. That's a damn try. Hey, that's dancing, no.
Second and 10. Hill straight drop. Sets. He's got all day. Going deep left side. And the ball is, it might have been picked, was tipped, and it was intercepted.
Hey, so you stealing now? You stealing?
That's my first time ever getting shook in my life. He shook I didn't expect that from him.
Don't run on second and 10.
They're going to run now. You jinxed them.
Prescott's going to toss the play wide to Pollard. Broke a tackle. Got a block on the edge. Sprinting to the 50. Pollard down the left sideline. One man to beat, and he'll beat him all the way to the pylon. Touchdown, Pollard. Calling a run was the most brilliant move of the night.
Hey, did you hear me out here talking some go?
When they needed 6 or more, they're 2 of 8. And Hill with play action will roll to the right and wants to throw and is sacked by Parsons.
I love Michael, dog. He's too fast. He's too fast. LT. And I don't say that too. Yeah. He out there balling, man. That's how he was. LT. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? You know. I tell you, baby. Talking about, dog. Talk to our boys.
Who lined up in front of you?
At the Dallas 32, play fake by Hill, back to throw.
Oh, yeah.
Deep to the right, underthrown, intercepted.
Oh, yeah!
Put me in TMZ all you want, baby. I do it.
And the Saints on first down. Hill back to throw, rolls right, not much of a rush. Intercepted by Diggs. It's been a month of Sundays since you had one of those, youngster.
Good job. Hey, it's one more out there.
Hey, Trey.
It's one more out there now. I'm telling you, it's one more.
Flag as Hill throws, it's intercepted at the 25. Down the left side, into the end zone.
Yeah, it's Carlos Watkins.
For Carlos Watkins, a defensive tackle.
Let's go. He like that. Number 7 told me that.
Oh, my God.
We needed this game.
Y'all know we needed this game. Yeah, we needed it. Hey, what's up, man? All y'all Saint fans, y'all know y'all weren't going nowhere this year. Exactly. Stop playing around. Be nice neighbors and let us get this game and get the hell on out of here. What's up, fellas? How you doing? How y'all doing, man? What's up? I'm just telling you, man, we needed this game, man.